What's up, guys? It's Vince over here at CycleMax. I don't think I've ever been up this high before, but check it out. We built this thing, all right? All RanchArmor, roof rack, rear seat, rear storage, ladder, Nerf bars, front rack. We got a worn winch up front, high lifter A-arms, lift. Thing is ready to go get whatever you want. You can go hunt wildebeest with this thing probably. Another worn winch on the back. Hang up your deer, hang up your hog, whatever it is that you're hunting. But check it out, man. This thing is one of a kind. I've never seen anything else like it. We got it here at CycleMax. Give us a call. Our number is 252-291-2121.